In this video, you'll see how to make a button-style chrysanthemum with Italian meringue buttercream. Start with a round tip, number 12, and an 81 mum tip, a medium to large flower nail, and a square of waxed or parchment paper, and some scissors. Squeeze out a large amount of buttercream with the round tip. Begin piping small petals with your number 81 tip. The curve of the tip faces inward. The petals should be tightly together and angled inward slightly. The next layer of petals will be a 90-degree angle. Touch the mound of buttercream with the tip, then squeeze out a very small amount of buttercream while pulling the tip up. Release the pressure when the petal is at the desired length. These are very short petals. You can pinch off excess or use your finger to correct a petal. The petals should be side by side, not overlapping. A scissor can also be used to trim a petal. Pipe additional buttercream around the base with the number 12. This will help create the pom-pom appearance that we're looking for. You can begin to angle the petals slightly outward now, keeping them close together. You may need to add even more buttercream around the base. Continue all the way down until you reach the bottom. You can freeze your buttercream flowers to make it easier to place on your cakes. Usually 10 minutes is enough to do the trick. My favorite of the mums here is the one with the blue center. You can use color to accent your mums. You might want to make leaves for freezing. This one is striped with white on the thin end of a 125 tip and moss green with a little bit of yellow mixed in on the thicker end. This one is the opposite, with the strip of white on the thicker side. And this leaf is experimental. I love the shape of this. Here's an example of an arrangement. Whoops! Join us every week as we do Zoom classes. Click the join button below the video and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye!